Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite and I'm going to show you how to back up your phone before resetting it or selling it. At first you need to open your phone settings. Scroll down till you see accounts and backup. Here we've got two applications where we can back up our data. Samsung Cloud is the first one. Tap backup data. Here we've got update of the Samsung Cloud, so we need to update our phone. Our application, and after the update we can enter backup data back again. And here, as you can see, we've got every single thing that we can back up using the Samsung Cloud, like contacts, settings, applications we have saved, home screen data, clock, messages, call logs, calendar, and voice recordings. And here we've got auto backup with roaming, but we're going to disable it. And here you need to tap backup now. Here you can see the progress of every single one of them. And now we've got it backed up. Almost, because applications. Okay. Now we've got it done. And now we can open the Google Drive. Let's tap backup. Google Drive. Here we've got Google Drive label and backup data. Tap it. And here tap turn on. I think my phone is quite laggy. Wait a moment. Okay, it doesn't work for me. So if it doesn't work for you, let me show you a fix. Open Google folder, open Google Photos, and if you're logged in, you should set up Google Photos application. Like allow. Here you can see the backup. You can tap turn on backup or do not backup. Here, if you tap turn on backup, you can tap next, and skip this. Here now, if we go back, we can see turn on is available. It should be because it's turned on now, but let's do it again. My phone is quite laggy, sorry for that. But it should actually work for you, because we've got our Samsung Photos application working, and okay, now we've got it done. Here you can tap backup now, and your backup will done. But here we've got something called backup details. If you tap other device data, you can turn on backup other device data. You need to tap this switch. And now here we've got device data like SMS and MMS Messages, call history, device settings, and app data. So that should be it. Let me wait a moment till the backup is done, and now you can turn on this backup device data, other data. That's how it works. Backup now, and after this backup you can factory reset your phone. That's it. Bye.